What I want to show you today is how to use the Set Inspect from Renishaw for doing basic probe operations on the machine tool. In this case, we want to go in and we want to probe a boss feature and update a work offset. So as long as I'm in edit mode, I can have any program I want called up. When I go over to the Set Inspect software, I have different choices. I want to run a single cycle in this case. If I choose a single cycle, I want to do my spindle probe. I'm going to choose a measurement cycle. And then I have many cycles I can choose from. In this case, I want to choose a boss. It's going to ask me for the diameter of my boss. I'm going to choose 0.5, enter. It's going to ask for a Z incremental distance. I want to go down 0.5, enter. And then it's going to ask me which work offset I want to update. In this case, I'm going to update G54. So with that done, all I have to do, again, is be in an edit mode, any program up, and then I can choose the send button over here. And as soon as I push send on the screen here, it'll update my part program for me. As well, on the screen here, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. So it's going to say ensure your probe is loaded into the spindle, jog your probe to the start position, which we've done. It's going to say select memory or auto mode. So I'm going to put it in memory mode and then press cycle start. So if I close the doors, I press cycle start, and it'll probe our feature for us and update G54 X0 Y0 to the center of that location. So Renishaw Set Inspect is a very simple program to use. It's very similar to GUI interfaces on a lot of machine tool controls or your GoProbe app on your phone. There are a few additional features on this. You have your single cycle, which is basically like your GoProbe. You can save some of these if you use them over and over. You also have one called a program builder, which allows you to build programs and probe multiple features and write a program. Your configuration mode for setting it up and communicating with the machine. And then you have Reporter as well. Reporter will allow all of the data, the output, and then we can trend that data out and keep track of an inspection report from the machine. So we'll go through some more features soon.